Hello, it's Miss Edmonds here, and today we're going to play a game of Dragon's Den on Phonics Play. So we will be using our robot arms to break the word down, and then we will think, is it a real word or a fake word? The sound we will be focusing on today is the ch digraph. Make sure you are using your robot arms and sounding out the words with me. Off we go! Ch, I, f, chiff. Is that a real word or a fake word? It's not a real word. Well done. Next one. Ch, I, d, chid. No, not a real word. Off we go for the next one. Ch, I, p, chip. Yes. Chip is a real word. They're yummy, aren't they? Next one is ch, I, k, e, n. Blend it together. Ch, I, k, n. Chicken. Yes, that was a hard one. Well done. Ch, I, ch, I, chim. No, chin is not a real word. Next one is r, I, ch, rich. Is rich a real word? Yes, if you have lots of money, you are rich. Well done. Next word is ch, z, chuz. That's not a real word, is it? Nope. Next one is ch, d, chod. Nope, not a real word. Next one, ch, p, chop. Is chop a real word? Yes, you can chop up vegetables. Last one, ch, d, chud. No, lots of fake words in there, wasn't there? Well done, everybody.